this looks like it's about to turn into a heck of a hill climb. This is getting ridiculous.
Hello and welcome to Cheek's Will Ride. I'm Will Cheek, and today I'm riding the Ozark Overland Adventure Trail. Shout out to Matt McClellan for putting this together. This is a 4x4 route designed for exploring the Ozarks of northwest Arkansas, and wow, it has become really popular among the overlanding crowd. People come from all over the country to explore this route. My goal today is to see how suitable is this for an adventure bike and how many days will it take. When you download the GPX file, it comes as 5 segments, one for each day. But I think on a motorcycle, it can be done in 2.5 days. Now, please bear with me as this morning, my GoPro decided not to cooperate, messing up a lot of the audio and the video, but I think we can still get through it. One thing about this route that you must know is that it is famous for its water crossings. Any motorcyclist planning to ride this must consider water levels and should aim for dry seasons of the year. Even 4x4s with snorkels have had to reroute if the water is too deep or flowing too fast. This first water crossing is the Buffalo River at Woolham, and it got my attention real quick.
All right, so it crosses here. This ought to be interesting. Look what's on the other side. Looks like a huge pile of sand. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, see what I mean? Oh, I should have just kept on moving. These rocks are slick. Now, wet feet the rest of the day. Got it. That came up over the top of my boots. All right. Now the next challenge is getting over this big pile of sand. And I hope it becomes a little more solid on the other side. Try to get some momentum. Try to keep some balance. It's going to be ugly. Come on, come on. There we go. What kind of trail is this? This is the kind of stuff that I was curious about. This is no big deal on 4 wheels. The deep, slippery water crossing, and then a bunch of deep, soft sand is a little bit of a different challenge on 2 wheels. I think I made it out. Okay, maybe I should have gone over there. That's probably the smarter route. Not done with the sand yet. Okay. Let's go. Warmed up now. Waterlogged, but warmed up. Oh, some mud. Yep, no big deal. Well, that was the Buffalo River. Yeah, so this is the kind of water crossings I was hoping for today. Oh yeah, so this is Falling Water Falls. Oh look, there's actually water falling. Gosh, I thought it'd be too dry, but it's not. Awesome. Go in there and check that out. Looks like there's another family about to go for some swimming. Hi, how are y'all doing? Great. Oh! I was tired. I just wanted to sit down anyway. Yeah, I don't live too far from here. It's a couple hours, so I'm just spending today and tomorrow riding. Y'all have a good one. Yeah, here's the mud holes. I was concerned about having a lot of mud holes. This is a fun road. Big mud hole here. Goodness, that looks nasty. I'm gonna go around if you don't mind. This is wet like it's been raining here. Well, we got some dark clouds ahead, but.
So I was not expecting any rain today, and I learned real quick that this is a bad spot for it because of all the slippery clay in this area.
Well, this is getting slimy, sloppy quick. Oh my goodness. I can't even stop. Look. Oh boy. I don't think I should jump off into that hole. I don't know if I can even go. I'm just sliding. Uh-oh. Alright, let's kick it into four-wheel drive. Oh, Jesus. We're going down. Yeah, this slippery, slimy stuff is what I was worried about. On a four-wheel drive, this ain't no big deal, but on a bike, it's a little bigger deal. Can't even go. I'm kind of afraid that might happen. I'm feeling I'm gonna have to go back to the bottom. Oh shit! Yeah, I thought dumping off in that mud hole was gonna be the worst thing. Didn't realize this was gonna be super slimy and super hard base. Bunch of hard rocks and roots under here. Come on, come on. What am I up against? Good grief. Nothing. I'm up against nothing. Come on. Kidding me. Let's get on this thing now. Good grief. Ridiculous. It's just crazy the difference a little bit of rain makes. I'm not out of the mud yet. Yeah, that's way easier than trying to go around it. I know some of these are crazy deep though. Not that one. Oh my goodness, that one looks deep up there. what I know now, I think I would have tried to route around all this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slimy through here, holy moly. Ah. Wow. This is getting ridiculous. Broke another mount. Son of a... This mud is fun. Let me tell you. Nice. This would be really fun if it was dry. Whoa, 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 okay. Suddenly riding through a rainforest. Wow, this looks like it's going to be slippery, to say the least. Alright, this is going to be slippery. And it's wet enough. I do not want, or deep enough, I do not want to tip over. Wet, slippery rocks. Wet, slippery rocks. Whoa. Okay. Come on, let's go. Whew. Yep, it's deep now. Oh. Yes. Isn't this cool? I bet it's slippery as heck too. Yeah. Beautiful. Think I'm gonna have to cross that creek 2, 3, 4 more times before we're done. I broke my camera mount on that last fall. I got my backup in here. Look how rattly and shaky it is. It's terrible. It's not even gonna be usable footage. It's this or no footage, I think. God. Well, I did not expect this to become a wet, muddy, slippery rain ride today. Wasn't much chance of a rain at all. But hey, that's adventure, right? Uh-oh. Here we go again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no problem. Creek crossing again. Okay. Oh yeah. Hey, let's cross this creek again, what do you say? Oh yeah. Well, we just stay in the creek, how about that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, let's cross it again. Oh boy. That might have been the deepest one yet. I don't know. Oh wow. Well, that little trail, that was fun. But I broke 2 360 camera mounts. I guess the rest of this trip will have to be all GoPro. What have we here? Yeah, more creek crossing. you can see the evidence of what I was saying earlier. Doing this during the wet season would be near impossible for a bike. It's all nice and dry over here, just a mile or two away from where I was falling in the mud. Hey, let's do a creek crossing, eh? I've done one in about 5 minutes. Ooh, slippery. All right. What do you say? Yes, sir.
Okay. I was going to let you go if you weren't.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Thank you. Fudge. I think I needed to turn there. Oh, I needed to turn there. Son of a gun. Well, this looks like it's about to turn into a heck of a hill climb. Loose rocks. Wish I'd have hit this with a little more speed. Yes. Oh, that was almost it. There, that was almost it. I'm gonna go this left side. Get around these ledges. Come on. Yes. Oh no. Keep the momentum. Let's go. Yes. Come on. Come on. Woo-wee. That was a good one. So how flat did that look on camera, huh? Nice. We'll let him go. Okay, let's give it a shot. Rudy, one up the middle. Here we go. Now he's probably saying, dude, I tried to let you over back there. Now there's no spot to do it. Too bad. And I don't blame him. Thank you. So even though it wasn't supposed to rain today, I've already been rained on once and it looks like I'm riding right into a storm. Turn the radar on X Maps. I don't know if you can see that because it's so shaky, but yeah, I've got another storm. The route leads right into another storm. Yeehaw! How about another water crossing? I haven't done one in about 5 minutes. Let's do another. Oh man. Okay. Whew. Well, I'm back on the route now. That detour wasn't too bad. I don't know how much the camera caught because it was being GoPro, but I was on a dirt road and I came to a closed gate with private property signs on it. Next to it was a trail, so I took the trail. Well, it turns out the trail was nothing. And turned around, came back. When I came back, the gate was open. So okay, what the heck? I went through the gate and about half a mile I came to a piece of property and there was a guy there, and as soon as I rolled in, he was hopping off his tractor. And I didn't wait around to see what he had to say. He may have just been a nice guy, wanted to give me directions, or maybe he wanted to give me some directions with a shotgun. I don't know. And it didn't look like the road went through, so I turned around and then put a new GoPro battery in. And now I'm back on the trail here. It's starting to dry, which is good because back there even this regular old dirt gravel road was slick with like a layer of mud on top. Sun's out again, so hopefully things start drying out. Everything was sunshine and rainbows until the sunshine came or went away. This is deceivingly slippery. It looks almost dry actually, but it's got a slick, hard top. Went from dirt road to this just all of a sudden. Surprise, surprise, water crossing. Well, let's go see how deep this one is. Getting deep. Ooh, okay, that's over my knees now. Big rocks. Okay, well, don't fall over. Okay, well, this is for sure the deepest one, and as usual, the rocks are very slick. Oh gosh. Oh, oh God, so deep, so deep. Oh shoot. I'm on islands here, good grief. Oh boy. Oh boy. Can't reach either side. Let's go. That's just to get off the side of this thing. That's what I should do. Oh God. Well, survived that crossing. That was the deepest and most treacherous one for sure so far. It wasn't pretty, but I was really concerned about falling over, because that would definitely be in the airbox if I fell over. Hell, it was close to the bottom of the airbox even standing up. Holy moly! Whoops. Now this is Pilot Rock Mountain. I've done this a few times before. I even did it in my Arkansas Trans-American Trail video, if you want to check that out. I'm gonna go back up there again and see if I can get any cool drone shots. Like it's eroded a lot just a few months since I did it last. It's a pretty popular place, so Yeah, here we are. This is a cool spot. Surprised there's nobody up here camping. It's a pretty cool spot to camp. I'm gonna get the drone out and see if I can get anything cool. Well, I'm finishing up this really slippery trail, about to come out on 123. This is about the end of day 2 on the route. I had plans to do a whole lot more, but yeah, the sun's getting low, and there's a couple of points of interest coming up that I really want to show well in the daylight, so I'm going to go ahead and call it a day, head back to the van for the day.
Well, if there's one thing that I learned today, it's that my weakness is wet trails. Pretty much any time the trail got slick, my confidence vanished. I might as well have been walking the bike. Heck, I did walk the bike in a few spots. But that's adventure riding, right? Something I will work on. I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll stick around for the next video to see if I finish the Ozark Overland Adventure Trail. I knocked out 2 out of the 5 segments today, and I will pick up right where I left off the next time. By the way, if you want the GPX for this route, Matt has it public on the Ozark Overland Adventure Trail Facebook page. Alternatively, this GPX plus routes for my other rides are over on my Patreon. Links in the description.